Hello investor and trader, welcome back to an episode. In this short video, I'm going to update my minimum wage investor account. It's been exactly slightly over a month. The last time I made a video, I stopped about right here. So we have gone through March already because right now it's April 1st. So let's do a little portfolio update. So for the delivery job, through a recap, I work at Papa John's during the weekends, mainly Saturday and Sunday. Sometime I throw in a Friday on a Monday right here on Valentine. That's very rare occasionally where I deliver pizza during the weekdays. So that being said, I document every single delivery shift that I do, like how many deliveries I took. I break it down, number of deliveries, hour working that week, and then I multiply by 15 to give me a dollar value estimating because the minimum wage in California right now is at $15. Then the tip. Then I add this two numbers together to give me the total earnings. And then just throwing for fun, I divide this by number of hour, give me the average. I can see it's slightly above minimum wage because the tip wise. And then I add it up. This is gross income, gross earning. That's including tax. So of course you got to take tax out of this thing. So 1,700, roughly 1,300 or 1,200. That's how I decided to deposit every single month, right? 1,200 minimum, or trying to be, into the account. As you can see, the month of January I deposited 2,000 just to unlock. Kind of funny, right? Unlock the margin uh, feature of the interactive broker. Because with small account, I prefer to have margin because I like to trade blue chips. The more buying power, the better. Of course, understand your risk. And then February, I deposit 800 instead of 1,200. And then March, I deposit 1,000 instead of 1,200. Again, because the sell, as you can see, is going down, right? From 1,700 in January down to 1,700 and down to 1,600. It's slightly down because if I didn't work on Monday, yeah, this will definitely down because that's just how it is for the pizza business. As we approach near summer, sales just getting slower and slower and slower. You can see my hours getting shorter, not shorter, but less and less and less. I try to keep an average hour of 8 hours a day. Some days are even less, like right here, or even right here, right? I left before even 7 hour, approach 7 hour because, like I said, sales is slowing down. That's just how it is for the pizza business. But nonetheless, that isn't stopping from contributing to this account. I try to contribute 1,200 as I can. If not, like I said, it just depends on the sales, right? That's out of my control. So that being said, my account right now is at 4,770. So I beat the expectation of 3,700. That's the goal right here. So let's go to the interactive broker account. There it is. Let me refresh. All right. You can see my account number right here. It's a real account. It's not a fake account, paper account, whatever you want to call it. So far, my account up 33% since year to date. So it goes to 1 month. For this month of March, well, last month, right now, already April, I'm only up 11%. This right here is crazy because what happened to Ukraine and Russia? Because during this time, my account was selling pretty smoothly uptrend, right? Small profit here, small profit there, and then I jump in AMD and decide to hold overnight. Next thing I know, the Ukraine incident, the whole entire stock market just like collapsed. Well, not really collapsed, but a little correction. So I went from 22% return all the way down to like 2%. I was like, oh my goodness, I just wiped out 20% return in a couple of days, right? You can see right here. And then I just hold on, nothing to worry about. Everything's cool. Then went back up 17, back down to 3, now back down to 20. Now at the end of the recording today is at 33. So for the past couple of days, it's been flat. You may ask, what happened here? Well, this count is under PDT, which is under 25K. So that means you can only do 3 trades a week. You can see right here. Right here, that's where I tell you the number of trades I have. So no trades today, obviously. That's why I wait till next week. Then I have my trades again. That's why it's flat. Like no price movement in my portfolio. And in my portfolio, I don't hold anything right now. It's empty. You can see, right? No position. So right now it's all in cash, 4,700, with a buying power of close to 20,000. That's pretty cool. So they gave me a 4x leverage. So for now, let's deposit another 1,000. So to deposit money, all you got to go to transfer. I think you go to here. Nope. Transfer fund. So let's do for 1,000 for the month of April. Make a deposit. That's my bank. Let's use this one. Deposit. Let's put 1,000. And then at the end of the month, if I make more extra income from delivering pizza, I'll put in another 200. Then I deposit 1,200. Right? That's the goal. But let's put 1,000 for now because I want more buying power. The more buying power, the better stock I get to play around with. Security code. Oh, I need the security code. Hold on real quick. Let me check my phone. Yeah, Interactive Broker always asks for this security code. It's kind of annoying, but it's kind of safe in a way that prevent other hackers. If you work for minimum wage for the past 3 months, right? Because we are in April, and if you work minimum wage like I am right here, right? It doesn't matter work how many days. What matters is the account size. You can save up 5,000-6,000, or your account is, hey man, you're doing pretty good compared to the average, people with careers out there. Like my background is I'm an engineer. I work with people. My coworker make over six figure, and they still cannot even save $10,000 a year. Yeah, you heard that right. These people making over six figure have a hard time saving 10,000. You'd be like, why? Well, it's easy. They have payments, car payment, mortgages, multiple mortgages, boats, all the other stuff that they have. And again, it just depends on personal finance, right? If you're very good with your budget, you can be able to save quite a bit, right? So yeah, right now the account size within a couple of days, gonna take 3 business days for it to update. Should be 5,700 because I deposit 1,000, right? So that gave me almost $6,000 of buying power. Woohoo! Okay, what I've been doing here is I also do option in this account. The one I'm looking at right now is AMD. So AMD doing this wedge right here that Finvest really drew a line, right? It's kind of like common sense. This next support is down here at 100. So that's why I deposit 1,000 today. Hopefully next week, AMD getting closer to the low 100, like 102, 101, or even 100. I want to sell put on this account. Now you may ask, isn't that naked put? Kind of. It depends how comfortable you are. As we can see right here on this right here, that as I mentioned, in my previous video, every single month I try to deposit money into an account. So it's not really it is kind of naked put, but using that leverage that the broker allowed me to do. So I want to take advantage of it because AMD premium right now is pretty good. For example, if I take a look at it real quick. For example, right, you can fact check on these if you like. For example, AMD put for due May 20th, 100 strike price. You can collect up to 500. That's pretty cool premium. So I just wanted to do because at the end of the day, a month for this account, Interactive Broker, I want to earn at least 400, 500 as the account grows, right? So let's go to some of the trade I did and share with you guys. So let's just go to performance, I think. Yeah, right here. Overview. This thing is pretty cool compared to my other broker like Fidelity. It gives you a lot of details. So Google year to date. There it is. So these are the stocks that I traded. No red trades yet, all green trades. That's what I want. Let's see how long I can keep it up. So the most gain I made was from NEO. NEO right now 13% out of 33%. So pretty much like 1/3 of my profits are from NEO. So let's go to NEO real quick and see what's up with NEO. Now NEO is a fast mover. That's why I like to trade, and it's cheap. It's only like a $20 stock. This account is small, like 4 or 5K, whatever. So I can play around with 100, 200, or even 300 share with NEO. So only need like 50 cents up, 50 cents down, or dollar up, dollar down. Make a quick couple $100. Yeah, so that's NEO. I want to sell NEO put also, but this is what I don't like about NEO's chart. Again, it's about the chart and not about fundamental, okay? It's different. See the gap right here? That's what I'm worried about. In the future, this can probably go down and retest this gap around 12 or 15. So it's not a bad idea to sell put as long as NEO is below 20, because when you sell put, you want the stock as low as possible. That way you can maximize your premium. So yeah, that's the game plan. So now I'm gonna sell some put for AMD. And now, like I said, if you're comfortable selling kind of like a naked put, but in a way I'm putting money into account every single month, eventually this account will be 10K by summer or slightly end of summer, because that's the projection is right here. So 10K. That's yeah. Like I said, around summer, there you go, end of summer, around August, this account should be at least 10K. So by then, there's no more naked put. By then, AMD can probably take off, right? Because we don't know either break down or break up. But according to this wedge, there's a high probability that it may break down. But who knows? It is AMD after all, because AMD and Nvidia is such a premium chip company that the PE ratio is quite high, it's 42, but the PEG ratio is under 2 or even 1.4, which is pretty low, for my opinion, for a growth stock. Overall, the valuation for AMD seems reasonable, not crazy. The only thing I don't like about the PE ratio, but hey, that's what you're paying for the growth. I can see the next 5 year expected EPS around 30%. But yeah, that's my plan for this account right here. Is sell put for AMD, and then after that, just sit back because option, selling put, selling call, it's pretty much a waiting game. So yeah, hopefully you guys are doing well in this crazy market because like in the month of March, this account is like what the heck is going on, but that is what it is for the market present. As long as you don't freak out, have under control, stay disciplined, right? You'll be fine, and just don't trade crazy risky stocks, and just yeah, you should be fine. All right, see you guys in the next video. Bye.